So hi guys, good morning. It's actually 6:50 a.m. So niliamka, nikaoga, nikaosha vyombo, nikafanya everything. So I'm leaving guys. I'm taking my mom to Nairobi again. I'm going to Nairobi again. And I'm taking her to take her gift. She decided to surprise herself, ama to gift herself something which you will see at the video. Yes, so alinipigia akaniambia shatoka home, so mimi nikajitayarisha. So I'm ready to go. As you can see, even my eyes, I look sleepy. I woke up at 5:45 so that ningeacha nimeosha vyombo and everything. And my baby is still asleep, and also my husband has woken up, but bado hajatoka kwa kitanda. Kuamka nikitoka kwa kitanda, but bado hajatoka. So this is the first time in my life since I gave birth to my baby I'm leaving behind my baby. This is the first time, but the good thing is that I'm leaving him with his dad. Namwacha na babake, and yeah, for a day, a night, a day, and maybe another night, so I don't know. But nimetafuta mtu msichana wa kuja kushinda na yeye on Monday on work days if I not be back. Nimetafuta mtu anakuja, a day scholar, anashinda na mtoto, and then when my husband is back anaenda. Yes, so alikuwa amekaa na yeye for some times back, so anamjua mtoto wangu, anamjua, he knows the girl, the auntie. So namwacha, so let's go. It's already, the sun is out. Yes, at 6:50 the sun is out already. Yeah, so let's go. And as you can see my hair, look at my hair. Nanaenda hivyo, I don't care. Me, I don't care. I don't give a yes. I don't care. So as you can see, hata huku ilikuwa ishabomoka, but nilidecide kumpeleka on Friday. Na singe make kwenda salon on ni bomoe nisuke, because as for me, I like doing my hair and leaving my head to relax for like a week, and then I do another hair. So sikupata hiyo time, so I'll have to go like this. As you can see, it's that bad. But my hair can't prevent me doing my things. My hair can't prevent me doing my things. Yes, it's that bad. Now let's hit the road to Nairobi.
I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. She came from, it kinda turned me upside down. the night with her, sprinkle one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
So this is the car. Hii na tulikuwa tumekujia Kerende mzima, Kerende yote tulikuwa tumekujia haka. Anyway, it's a blessing. Why? So my mom has been wanting a car since we were in high school. Wakanunua ya kwanza, wakanunua Probox. Probox ni ya kazi. Hiyo ni gari ya job. Now they have this one for luxury. Yeah. Nowadays, by the way, nowadays gari it's a necessity, it's a basic need. It's not for luxury, but hiyo Probox ni ya job, hii ni ya kutembea. So let's take it to Laikipia County. So let me tell you, when God decided to bless you, you can be wanting something for the longest time ever. And we are always told that good things take time. Yeah, good things take time, but it's good to have patience. I think I'm the only person who doesn't have patience. I'm like, I want this and I want it. I want it like right now. But my mom is a very, yani ametufunza a lot of things. Yani to have that patience. Hey, we have seen God. Kununua gari, where? Especially right now, 2023. Huh? Anyway, ni Mungu. So you just continue praying whatever you want. God will just provide, and don't you ever lose hope. As long as you are working and you are working hard and smart, don't you ever lose hope. So continue trusting in God, continue trusting God's process. Yeah.
Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, wow. It looks like we made it.
Hello guys. So today it's on a Thursday. And on Sunday I'm going for my mother's blessing. Yani gari yake inabarikiwa. As well know, she bought a car. No, okay, you have watched kwa video, she bought a car. Now your car inafaa ibarikiwe before you start using it. And now I am undoing my hair. As you can see, nishazikata. My hair was so bad. Like na ilikuwa tu na wiki 3 weeks. Ama 3 weeks ni mob. So I'm undoing my hair just slowly by slowly. And nitaenda kusukwa on Friday or on Saturday. Yeah, Friday si kesho hata by the, so I'm going to do my hair on Saturday. Yes, because Saturday is the only day that I can go out, like so that I can leave my baby with the dad. So nitaenda Saturday kusukwa, and I have a style, but I'm thinking, like, you know, I love doing Ghanaians. If you don't know Ghanaians, Google. I love doing Ghanaians, but I'll think about it. So let me undo my hair and then we meet on Sunday ama on Saturday.
You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it. But you haven't seen anything yet. Now you're just beginning your trip to regrets. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane, and you know it. You got to learn to like me.
Wow, that's done. So I am done undoing my hair. So I wanted to wash it, but nikaenda nikapata sina conditioner, but niko na shampoo but sina conditioner. I love washing my hair. Washing my own hair with my own products. So because ukienda kwa salon, kwanza huku ku salon tudogo atunanga conditioner. They don't have conditioner. So to untangle the hair, you feel a lot of pain. So I'll have to buy the conditioner on my way to the salon, so that I can go with it. Nienda na products zangu. Alafu tena sipendi kwenda na products zangu wasione like this girl, she is pretending, I don't know what, you know, things like those. Sipendi kwenda na products zangu. But for this, because my hair is short, unaona nywele yangu it's short and it's natural, it's not relaxed, so nitafeel uchungu. So I'll have to buy conditioner and treatment. Nienda na hizo mbili. Shampoo wanaweza tumia, and then nowadays hizi salons ziko na mambo. Siku hizi wanatumia, unaona hii sabuni ya kujitengenezea, hii yenye watu wanatengeneza, siku hizi ndizo wanatumia. Na hiyo I don't trust that soap. I don't trust it. So I'll also have to go with shampoo. So nitaenda na shampoo, conditioner na treatment. So hi guys, I'm done with the salon. Ndo hii style yenye nimesukwa. I don't know, sijui kama ndio inaitangwa stitch lines ama ni gani zinaitangwa stitch lines. Yes, hizi za brown ni dye. My hair ilikuwa na dye, so I had braids za brown last time na singerudisha tu brown. So nikaona nifanye black and then dye inaenda tu ikisha. So I was also thinking of doing my nails. I'm not sure, but if I do them, I'll just take you through. Yes. So as we wait for tomorrow, so see you tomorrow. Nikienda church home, I have to take a matatu until where we live. From here to our home is 200 Kenya shillings only for 1 hour. Yes, with a matatu. But kama ni self drive, it's for 35 to 45 minutes. Yes. So let's go.
Love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. I'll say I'm fine when I'm not, just to mess you up. I won't be home when you want, and I won't pick up. You'll spend your time with your watch, counting down the clock. You'll go insane, and I like it. But you haven't seen all of me yet. Now I'm just beginning, your work in progress. You might think you know me, but soon
katika jina la Yesu. Ninaomba Mungu wa mbinguni kwa ajili ya kila ndugu na kila dada ambaye anaombi moyoni. Wengine Bwana wanahitaji magari, naomba wapate. Naomba wapate katika jina la Yesu. Wengine wanaomba maproti, naomba wapate. Wengine Bwana wanaomba hali ya kujenga manyumba. Ninaomba Bwana uwakirimie neema katika jina la Yesu. Wewe ni Mungu mwaminifu. Nabariki wapendwa hawa Bwana, nikiomba upokee shukrani zao, kwa sababu haya ni matendo makubwa uliyoyatenda katika jina la Yesu. Umbariki Baba Shiro pamoja na mke wake Bwana na watoto wao, Mungu wa mbinguni uwazidishie.
Oh my God, look at that new car in the house. So let me show you inside, but not inside the house. The house to itakuja inside, just the unatangwaje kwa hapa nje tu house, the car at the house. So let me open the gate. My God, close. So sisi tunakuanga na mang'ombe na as you can see pale kuna kambuzi kanachungulia. So hizo zote ni chakula za ng'ombe. Hizo zote there. We have another car there. So hii ni ya kazi. This one. Hizo zote ni chakula za ng'ombe. And there is our house.